Today we are learning about a new chapter, that is organic compound containing nitrogen. That is organic compound containing nitrogen. In this chapter we will be studying about amines. Amines constitute a very important class of organic compound containing nitrogen. They occur in nature among proteins, vitamins, alkaloids, and hormones. They are prepared synthetically also. So, what are amines? Amines are the alkyl derivative of ammonia. Amines are the alkyl derivatives of ammonia. So, this is ammonia. One by one hydrogen is removed and amines are formed, where R is a alkyl group. These are the examples. Now we will be moving to the classification of amines. Amines are classified 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. The organic compound containing NH2 group is called primary amines. These are the examples of 1 degree amine. 2 degree amine. The organic compound containing NH group, that is imino group, as the functional group. Dimethylamine, ethylmethylamine and methylamine. 3 degree amine. The organic compound containing tertiary nitrogen as the functional group. These are the general examples of 3 degree amine. In this, we will be also studying about quaternary ammonium compounds. They are the derivative of ammonium salts, as you can see the formula itself. Depending on the nature of the groups attached nitrogen atom, amines may also be classified as aliphatic and aromatic amine. Aliphatic amine, amine in which nitrogen atom is directly linked to one or similar type of alkyl groups, that is aliphatic amine. So these are the various examples. Aromatic amine are two types. Aryl amine, where benzene ring is placed as the main nucleus. They are nuclear substituted amines. These are the examples of various type of aryl amine. Next is aryl alkyl amine. Aryl alkyl amine will have alkyl group and benzene group both. These are the examples of aryl alkyl amine. For nomenclature of amines, various method has been introduced. We will go with the most basic method, that 1 degree amines like methyl amine, propyl amine. 2 degree amines are N-alkyl aminoalkane, and 3 degree N-alkyl aminoalkane. These are the various examples which has been given. Methenamine, ethenamine, propane 1-amine. These are the common names and the IUPAC names. CH3NH2 is the methylamine, aminomethane or methenamine. CH3CH2NH2 ethylamine, propylamine, isopropylamine, dimethylamine. These are the various examples. Next is the nomenclature of aromatic amine. In the common system, aromatic amines are named as aryl amine. The name is derived by adding the suffix amine. Simplest aromatic amine is phenylamine or aniline and methylaniline N-ethyl and methylaniline. So these are the various examples. After this, common and IPSC name of some aromatic amine: aniline, orthotoluidine, metatoluidine. These are the examples. These are the examples of other aromatic amine: N-ethyl and methylaniline. Write the IPSC name here. Some questions are given which has been completely solved. You can see here and solve by your own, and various other examples are also given. Isomerism in amine, chain isomerism, position isomerism, and other type of isomerism which we have studied in class 11. Structure of amine, as you can see it here, N is having a lone pair of electrons. N is having lone pair of electron. After this, we have to study the general methods of preparation. First is from haloalkane, Hofmann ammonolysis method. Here haloalkane react with ammonia one by one. Hydrogen is being removed and it is converted to amine. This is the conversion of 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree amine. Next is by reduction of nitro compounds. Nitroalkane reduced in the presence of SnHCl converted to 1 degree amines. These are the following methods. By reduction of cyanides and isocyanides. How we can reduce the cyanides and isocyanides? These are the examples. When isocyanide is reduced with lithium aluminum hydride, 2 degree amine is formed. Synthetic importance: alkyl halide can be easily converted to 1 degree amine by reduction of oxim. Primary amine can be prepared by reduction of oxim. Oxim functional group is NaOH and it is converted to 1 degree amine. Various examples are given, either aliphatic or aromatic. We can also prepare from amides by reduction process. This is ethanamide reduction, ethane amine. Similarly, aromatic amine also undergoes the reduction process and it is converted to benzyl amine. Now next is the very important reaction, that is by Hofmann bromamide reaction. This will be discussing in our second lecture of amines. Thank you.